is, papunta kami ngayon ng IKEA. Bibila namin ng desk si kuya sa kwarto niya para hindi niya siya nakikigamit kay tatay. And then, yeah, it's gonna be another chill vlog for us. Kasi I miss vlogging. Kasi, lately wala naman kami masyadong ginagawa, so I don't feel na mag-vlog or parang di masyadong interesting pa kung mag-share ako sa inyo kung anong ginagawa namin nang wala naman kami masyadong ginagawa. So, now I feel like it's the best time to do it. So, let's go! Hi guys! One, so we're here na inside the IKEA and we're gonna eat first. What are you gonna have, Kuya?
Chicken tender.
Daddy are gonna have meatballs.
Oh yeah.
Hi, Bobby. Here, on this side. This side. It smells good. Are you dancing?
This floor is all the showroom. And then downstairs they have
We're done na sa lunch namin, so it's time for shopping.
playground area. Don't break anything.
Yeah, please.
This is the beginning. This is the end.
You can feel it. Yeah, that one has like a foam in it. See that? You have to try it because you're the one who's gonna use it, right? small. It's small before. We like this one. You like it? You like this one, Daddy? You like it, Kuya? Shopping here, guys, kasi nga magaganda yung mga gamit and also mura. I'm enjoying this. That's the one that you like, Kuya. So, nandito na kami sa may baba. And dito kinukuha yung mga model na like yung table na gusto namin and chair. Nandito yung mga stock. Parang ito yung ano nila. Malaking. Hindi, parang ito yung stock room nila. For the gamit. And we're almost done. After nito, magbabayad na kami. And then, uwi na kami. That's it. So we're done, guys. We're gonna go home and we're gonna assemble Kuya's desk. Buti kasha. Akala namin hindi magkakasya sa trunk namin yung mga nabili. Pero it ended up perfect lang yung ano, yung size. Tatay. Babong. I want one too.